Have you ever imagined an engine so powerful that it can withstand 1 million miles without losing strength? Get ready to discover the 20 most powerful truck engines ever made. From true titans that dominate the roads to icons of durability, each of them is a machine that defies time and logic. Today, we'll explore which engines have won the hearts of enthusiasts and professionals alike, revealing stories of endurance and cutting-edge engineering that will surprise you. Don't blink, because your next asset on wheels could be about to be unveiled. We start our list at number 20, Ram 6.7 liters Cummins turbo diesel. Introduced in 2007, the Ram 6.7L Cummins turbo diesel emerged as a response to the demand for powerful and efficient engines, winning the hearts of pickup lovers. This six-cylinder inline engine, equipped with turbo and intercooler technology, delivers an impressive 400 horsepower, taking your driving experience to another level of power. It's impressive to know that many of these engines reach the 1 million mile mark without needing significant repairs. A true legend among trucks. Used in a variety of commercial applications, the 6.7L Cummins is famous for its strength in difficult terrain, proving to be a true workhorse on wheels. At number 19, Ford 7.3L Powerstroke V8. Launched in 1994, the Ford 7.3L Powerstroke V8 not only entered the market, but revolutionized it with its impressive power and torque. This engine became an icon that defined what was expected from a real truck. Manufactured with a robust cast iron block and direct injection technology, this V8's design minimizes vibrations, ensuring a smooth ride, a perfect combination of strength and sophistication that won over drivers. With an impressive average of 500,000 miles, this engine has become synonymous with robustness and reliability. They can call him tough, and with good reason. It's the kind of engine that refuses to die, even under abusive conditions. Often considered one of the best diesel engines ever made by Ford, the 7.3 liters Powerstroke is the enthusiast's choice. Who doesn't dream of having this power under the hood? This engine is a real workhorse. At number 18, Chevrolet 6.6 litros Duramax 5.8. Since 2001, the Chevrolet 6.6L Duramax V8 has won the hearts of enthusiasts and professionals. Synonymous with strength and durability for trucks, with its powerful 6.6L turbo diesel engine, it offers an incredible 445 horsepower and breathtaking torque, delivering exceptional performance on the roads. Famous for its endurance, the Duramax can surpass the 700,000 mile mark with the right maintenance. It truly is an engineering masterpiece. Constantly updated to remain competitive, the Duramax stands out as a cutting-edge engine, always ready for challenges and adventures on the roads. At number 17, Nissan 5.0 liters Cummins turbo diesel. In 2016, Nissan and Cummins joined forces to introduce a truly innovative engine. This collaboration brought surprising power to the market that raised the bar in the pickup segment. The 5.0 LV8 delivers 310 horsepower and an impressive 555 pounds-ft of torque. This engine not only pushes the Titan forward, but also equips it to face any challenge with confidence. Built to last, this engine stands up to hard use, ensuring Titan owners can count on it for any job, from heavy construction to off-road adventures. When entering the mid-size truck segment, this engine isn't just an option, it's a statement. It captures the attention of enthusiasts and demonstrates that engineering can be both robust and revolutionary. At number 16, Toyota 4.0 LV6. The Toyota 4.0 LV6 is truly an icon of reliability. Introduced in 2005, it quickly made a name for itself with its unwavering durability and performance. Did you know that many drivers trust it until the impressive 300,000 mile mark? With a compact and intelligent design, this engine delivers up to 278 horsepower. This means that, even in a pickup truck, you will feel the power when accelerating, and the best, it does this while consuming fuel efficiently. It's impressive to know that many of these engines easily reach the 300,000 mile mark. Think about it, an engine that can take you so far. This is durability in its purest form, which is why outdoor enthusiasts love it. The true beauty of this engine, its popularity in off-road activities, robustness and strength make the Toyota 4.0 LV6 a favorite choice among enthusiasts looking to brave trails and overcome challenges. Ready for adventure. At number 15, GMC 6.6L Duramax V8. The GMC 6.6L Duramax V8 appeared in 2001 as an optional standard option, delighting pickup lovers with its robustness. Did you know that it has become synonymous with strength and durability in the automotive world? With several performance improvements, the Duramax is very similar to its Chevrolet brother. Its innovations guarantee not only impressive power, but also a smooth and reliable drive in any situation. Owners of this engine often report useful lives exceeding 500,000 miles. That's right, more than 500,000. A true masterpiece of engineering that defies logic and where, using advanced fuel injection technology, the Duramax maximizes efficiency, delivering power without compromising fuel economy. A perfect example of how machines and innovation go hand in hand. At number 14, Mercedes-Benz 3.0 LV6 Turbo Diesel. The Mercedes-Benz 3.0 LV6 Turbo Diesel engine was launched with the Sprinter and Metris truck line, standing out for the high-quality engineering that the brand always promises. Ready to be tested on the roads. With a power output of 188 horsepower and 325 pounds-ft of torque, this engine delivers agile acceleration and admirable efficiency. Ideal for those who want power without giving up economy. Built to last, many engines achieve an incredible 400,000 plus miles. It's as if each model were a road superhero, conquering challenges in any climate or terrain. For its incredible fuel economy, the Mercedes-Benz 3.0 LV6 is a favorite choice among commercial fleets, proving that efficiency and power can go hand in hand. At number 13, Ford 6.0L Powerstroke V8. The Ford 6.0L Powerstroke V8, used between 2003 and 2007, was a real beast when it came to cargo capacities. With it, trucks could face any challenge on the roads and on construction sites. This V8 turbodiesel engine was an impressive build, delivering 325 horsepower and a monstrous 570 pounds-ft of torque, a true colossus that made any pickup stand out on the road. If maintained properly, many of these engines surpass the impressive 300,000-mile mark. That's durability, a true testament to how a good engine can turn a vehicle into a reliable companion. Innovative, the 6.0L was one of the first to incorporate direct fuel injection technology. This revolutionized performance, giving trucks greater efficiency and power when they needed it most. At number 12, Dodge 5.9L Cummins Turbo Diesel. The Dodge 5.9L Cummins Turbo Diesel stands out as a true icon among Dodge trucks. In the 90s, it won the hearts of drivers with its unmatched strength and reliability. Equipped with a V6, this engine surprises by generating up to 325 horsepower. Its simplicity and durability made it a true champion among heavy trucks, laying the foundation for what we know today. Incredibly, there are examples of this engine that have already clocked more than 600,000 miles. It's a testament to the robustness that many drivers rely on, defying the harshest weather and conditions. Considered one of the best diesel creations, the Dodge 5.9L Cummins Turbo Diesel is not just an engine, it's a legacy. Do you know of another engine that has made history like this? Let's find out more. At number 11, Chevrolet 5.3 litros 5.8 Ecotec 3. Meet the Chevrolet 5.3 LV8 Ecotec 3, launched in early 2014. This revolutionary engine is part of the new generation of Chevy trucks, ready to elevate your performance on the roads and at work. With an impressive 355 horsepower, this modern V8 is a true titan. In addition to power, it offers fuel efficiency that leaves many competitors stunned. Its strength when you need it most. Ideal for heavy work, it is clear that durability is its strong point. This tough engine is expected to reach over 300,000 miles, a reliable partner for any challenge on the roads. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, Ecotec 3 not only reduces emissions, but also guarantees fuel savings that will leave your wallet happier. An engine that balances power and responsibility. At number 10, Ram 5.7L Hemi V8. The Ram 5.7L Hemi V8 was a true milestone in the truck lineup, being one of the first engines to adopt Hemi technology, which revolutionized the power and efficiency of vehicles on the road. With an impressive 395 horsepower and 410 pounds-ft of torque, this engine not only accelerates, but it does so with a punchy punch that leaves any driver excited to turn the ignition key. Robustness is the key word for this engine. Many Hemi-equipped trucks easily surpass the 200,000-mile mark, proving that durability is part of their DNA. The HEMI's iconic design is famous not only for its performance, but also for producing a distinctive sound that makes any engine enthusiast smile when they rev it up. At number 9, Chevrolet 4.3 litros V6. Launched in 1985, the Chevrolet 4.3 liters V6 quickly solidified itself as a classic. Its reliable performance has made it the choice of many truck enthusiasts. With a robust cast iron block and aluminum heads, this engine combines durability with optimized weight, making it ideal for hard work and adventure. Incredibly, it is common to see this engine exceed 300,000 kilometers without difficulty. Many people are surprised by its resistance and longevity. This engine is basically a V8 with 2 fewer cylinders. This not only reduces maintenance costs, but also offers an economical solution for those who love power. At number 8, Dodge 6.4L Hemi V8. Introduced in 2014, the Dodge 6.4L Hemi V8 revolutionized the market with unparalleled power for commercial trucks. This engine is the highlight that any truck lover dreams of having under the hood. With an impressive 410 horsepower and 429 pounds-ft of torque, the 6.4L V8 engine not only impresses, but also ensures you have plenty of power to take on any road challenge. Known for its unwavering strength, many trucks equipped with this engine are still seen running strong after more than 250,000 miles, a true testament to the durability and reliability of this road titan. Its innovative design provides instant acceleration, response, and excellent efficiency. Every step on the accelerator is like being catapulted into action, an electrifying experience for any driver. At number 7, Toyota 3.5 litros V6. Debuting in 2016 in the Tacoma lineup, the Toyota 3.5L V6 quickly won hearts and lands, an engine that promises resistance and adventure on the road, ideal for those looking for new experiences. With an impressive 278 horsepower and 265 pounds-ft of torque, this engine doesn't disappoint. It delivers power when you need it most, making every trip a real thrill behind the wheel. Have you ever imagined a truck that exceeds 200,000 kilometers without failing? Many users report this impressive durability, proving that the Toyota 3.5L V6 is a machine worth trusting. The fuel efficiency of this engine is worthy of applause. Truck drivers love this feature, as it means fewer stops at the station and more time on the road, ready for the next mission. At number 6, GMC 8.1L V8. Launched in 2001, the GMC 8.1L V8 was designed to handle the heaviest loads with ease. This robust engine is not just a machine, it is a true colossus on wheels. With an impressive power output of up to 385 horsepower, it's built to withstand heavy loads without breaking a sweat. Perfect for those who need real strength. Several drivers report that this Titan can travel over 400,000 miles. That's not just durability, it's the ultimate expression of an engine that goes where you need it to go. This engine is legendary in difficult terrain and is a favorite among those hauling heavy loads. No matter the challenge, the GMC 8.1L V8 makes it look easy. At number 5, Ford 4.6L V8. The Ford 4.6L V8 is a true chameleon, used in everything from pickup trucks to SUVs. Its versatility is impressive, and its reliability is the reason many drivers continue to choose this engine over the years. With up to 300 horsepower, this engine delivers all-terrain power and is a favorite choice among consumers and commercial fleets alike. It's no wonder it's on the roads as one of the market's favorite options. Durability is one of the trademarks of the Ford 4.6L. Many owners report that their engines surpass the incredible 300,000-mile mark, a testament to engineering that has remained robust for decades. Mechanics praise the 4.6L's affordable design. With a simple layout, maintenance and repairs become a walk in the park, making this engine a smart choice for those who value ease and economy. At number 4, Dodge 3.0L EcoDiesel V6. Introduced in 2014, the Dodge 3.0L EcoDiesel V6 emerged as the economical option Ram trucks have been waiting for, an engine that offers just the right amount of efficiency and power for any driver. With 240 horsepower and an impressive 420 pounds-ft of torque, this engine is a real force. It ensures that you can not only get off to a strong start, but also maintain power on the road. With the right maintenance, many owners report that their EcoDiesels reach an impressive 300,000 miles, showing that when it comes to durability, this engine is a winner. One of the most well-accepted diesel engines, EcoDiesel is famous for its fuel efficiency. Who says you can't have power and fuel economy in one package? Now, we come to our top 3 on our list. Chevrolet 8.1L Vortec V8. The Chevrolet 8.1L Vortec V8 is famous for its superior performance in trucks and SUVs. This monster of an engine doesn't disappoint when it comes to strength and reliability, making it a popular choice among truck enthusiasts. It produces an incredible 340 horsepower and an impressive 455 pounds-ft of torque, providing exceptional performance. It is a real power that leaves nothing to be desired, especially on difficult terrain or at high speeds. Reports indicate that many drivers exceed 300,000 miles with this engine. That's almost an eternity on the road. The robustness and durability of the V8 has won hearts and roads across the country. This V8 engine is notorious for its strength in demanding towing situations. When you need to pull a heavy trailer, the 8.1L Vortec responds with confidence, making you feel in absolute control of the situation. At number 2, Ford 5.0L Coyote V8. Launched in 2011, the Ford 5.0L Coyote V8 quickly became a favorite among enthusiasts. Its balanced performance wins over both speed lovers and endurance seekers. With an impressive 450 horsepower, this engine stands out with a modern design and cutting-edge technology. It's the perfect recipe for robust, reliable performance. If well cared for, the Coyote can surpass the impressive 200,000-mile mark. It is durable and prepared to withstand the brunt of any adventure. Although it is compact, this engine is a true giant. Its quick response makes anyone excited when stepping on the accelerator, proving that in mechanics, size doesn't matter. And now, first on our list, Ram 6.7 liters Cummins turbo diesel. The Ram 6.7 liters Cummins turbo diesel is the benchmark for durability in the world of trucks. With an unparalleled reputation, it is the #1 choice for those looking for endurance and power on every ride. This 6.7 liters engine with turbocharged technology impresses by delivering up to 400 horsepower. It combines brute force with efficiency, taking your driving experience to a new level. Surprisingly, many reports reveal that this engine can exceed an impressive 1 million miles. Yes, you read that right. It's a titan of the road that defies the wear and tear of time. Widely used in commercial applications, the 6.7L is synonymous with strength and reliability. Whether for heavy lifting or adventures, it never disappoints. Hey there, pickup enthusiasts. After exploring these incredible engines that set the standard for power and durability in the truck world, we want to know which of these engines is your favorite. Or maybe you know some other engine that should be on this list. Leave your opinion in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content like this. And to stay up to date with all the news, activate the bell. Until next time.